Imagine a learning journey where the classroom transforms into a real-world arena, where theories meet actions. This is action learning at Asia School of Business. At ASB, we partner with top organizations across Malaysia and Asia to tackle real-world challenges.
To date, we have successfully completed over 500 action learning experiences across 36 different countries since 2015.
By the presentation and the recommendations that they made was way beyond our expectations.
Student is wonderful, smart, and also very humble and open-minded. So that gives us a very good, fresh insight. Basically, a little bit different angle from what we do.
Action learning is learning by doing in a very structured way. AL has been at the core of ASB since its inception.
At ASB, we deliver the most rigorous and applied management education, immersing students in diverse action learning experiences from day one.
We have an ecosystem that supports the students. We have coaches, faculty advisors, and we have an action learning team. So this provides students with a safety net and really get support from the ecosystem around that in solving that business problem.
There are various action learning experiences. Let's start with the practicum.
Business practicum is a great way to learn about how a business really works, because we have the opportunity to go across a business, look at all the parts of it, ask the people who are doing the work how all the pieces fit together.
Next, for team projects, students work in teams over the period of 3 to 4 weeks, tackling critical business challenges.
They learn, when they take on action learning projects, how to connect dots from different disciplines to a line or a story.
Personally, I've grown a lot in confidence in the application of the frameworks that was learned in class, and also to understand the cultural nuances when working in a different market.
So I think this is such a unique blend of an opportunity to have a business, a management education that is nested in Western management education practices, but then applied to our Asian context. I don't think there's any school or program that's really doing this.
At ASB, we don't just teach, we put students in action.
So we always tell students, change and ambiguity is constant and something that they need to approach with confidence.
The amount of learning that you get out of these AL engagements, it's way, way more than what you see.
Are you ready to lead, innovate, and transform through action learning at ASB?